More than 200 crore doses of coronavirus vaccines will likely to be available in India between August to December this year, a top government advisor said on Thursday, raising hopes that the country may be able to overcome setbacks from its inoculation strategy. Those doses would include 75 crore of AstraZeneca's vaccine produced in India by the Serum Institute of India, as well as 55 crore doses of Covaxin made by Bharat Biotech, government advisor VK Paul told reporters at a news conference on Thursday. 2 billion doses, that is 216 crore, will be made in the country in 5 months for India and for people of India. The vaccine will be available for all as we move forward, the Niti Aayog member said, adding that by the first quarter of the next year, the number is likely to be 300 crores. Over the disappearance of the country's Home Minister at the time of the pandemic, the National Students' Union of India has filed a missing person report against Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The complaint has been filed with the Parliament Street Police Station by NSUI General Secretary Nagesh Karyappa. Politicians are supposed to serve the nation and not run away from a crisis situation, Karyappa said. He said when the country is suffering from a deadly pandemic and the citizens are facing a crisis, it is the duty of the politicians to be accountable not only towards the government of India or the BJP but also towards the people of the country. Lokesh Chugh, the NSUI National Secretary and in charge of this media and communication wing, said that until 2013 the politicians were responsible towards the citizens, but things changed totally after the BJP came to power in 2014, and now the second person in command in the central government is missing amid the pandemic. Actor Anupam Kher, who has wholeheartedly backed the Narendra Modi-led government until now and has always showered praises on the Prime Minister, surprised many on Wednesday when he said that he believed the government had slipped in the COVID crisis and it was important to hold it responsible. In what appeared to be a critic of the centre, in an interview with the news channel NDTV, Anupam Kher said, "Somewhere they have slipped. It is time for them to understand that there is much more to life than just image building maybe." The renowned actor was asked should the government's effort have been more about providing relief than managing their image and perception. He was questioned about how distressing did he find images of COVID-hit families begging for hospital beds, corpses floating in the river, and struggling patients. He said, "I think the criticism is valid in lots of cases, and I think it is important for the government to rise to the occasion and do things that they are chosen by the people of this country for. I think only an inhuman person will not get affected by bodies floating, but for another political party to use it for their gain is also not right." The Union Health Ministry on Thursday agreed to extend the gap between the two doses of Covishield COVID-19 vaccine to 12 to 16 weeks. The announcement came after the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization, an advisory group on the COVID-19 vaccines, has recommended in this regard. The recommendation of the COVID working group was accepted by the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19, headed by Dr. VK Paul, who is the member of Health Niti Aayog, in its meeting on Wednesday. Based on the available real-life evidences, particularly from UK, the COVID-19 working group agreed for increasing the dosing interval to 12 to 16 weeks between two doses of Covishield vaccine. No change of interval for Covaxin vaccine doses was recommended. The government expert panel had also recommended those testing positive for coronavirus to defer vaccination for 6 months after recovery. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik on Thursday claimed that French Embassy in India has procured Moderna anti-coronavirus vaccine and it is being administered to its nationals at Navi Mumbai, even as only 3 other vaccines are permitted in the country. The Minority Affairs Minister in Maharashtra sought to know from the centre how a non-permitted vaccine is allowed to be administered to the residents of France and their relatives living here. Nawab Malik, who is NCP's national spokesperson, also asked why the centre cannot procure the vaccine for the people of India if the French embassy can. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.